Welcome to 20 Car. Picture this, a car that doesn't just turn heads but steals souls. The 2025 Ford GT MK6 Concept is not just a car, it's a rolling sculpture of American muscle and futuristic flair. Appearance characteristics: the GT MK6 Concept is a visual symphony of aggression and elegance. Its low-slung, carbon fiber body is painted in a chameleon-like finish that shifts from deep midnight blue to fiery orange depending on the angle. The scissor doors open like wings, and the rear features a honeycomb grille that glows like a neon sign in the dark. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Internal specifications: slide into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a dashboard that feels like a fighter jet's control panel. A holographic display projects vital stats onto the windshield, while the steering wheel is a minimalist, yoke-style design. The seats, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, hug you tighter than a roller coaster harness. Every surface feels like it was crafted by a mad scientist with a passion for perfection. Technical specifications: under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid engine that churns out a mind-blowing 800 horsepower. Paired with an electric motor, it delivers instant torque and a whisper-quiet ride, until you stomp on the pedal. Speed: 0 to 100 kilometers. Height: a blistering 2.5 seconds. It's not just fast, it's teleportation. Competitors: the GT MK6 Concept squares off against legends like the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura. But with its hybrid tech and American swagger, it's in a league of its own. Price: starting at $500,000, it's a dream for the elite. Ownership costs: maintenance is pricey, insurance is sky high, and depreciation is slow, thanks to its limited production run. Driving experience: driving the GT MK6 is like taming a wild beast. The roar of the engine, the precision of the steering, and the sheer grip of the tires make every corner feel like a victory lap. Advantages: unmatched performance, jaw-dropping design, and hybrid efficiency. Disadvantages: eye-watering price and limited practicality.